Hi everybody, welcome to the world of Micah. I'm here today at Universal Studios City Walk, just walking around looking at different things, and I stumbled upon something that most people do not realize sits here at Universal Studios City Walk. And what am I talking about? This airplane right here my finger is pointing at. That airplane belonged to Jimmy Buffett. Back in 1996, Jimmy Buffett and U2's BONO were flying and leaving Jamaica. Jamaican authorities shot down the airplane thinking it was leaving with drugs. Luckily, BONO and Jimmy Buffett both survived, and nobody realizes this is the actual airplane that was carrying Jimmy Buffett and BONO. This incident actually inspired a song by Jimmy Buffett called Jamaican Mistaken. And there it is, Jimmy Buffett's actual airplane. Buffett called the airplane the Hemisphere Dancer. So let's take a closer look at the Hemisphere Dancer here at Universal Studios City Walk. The entire bar here is under the airplane, the Hemisphere Dancer that belonged to Jimmy Buffett. Of course, it's all boarded up, but you can imagine being stuck in this thing, being shot down because Jamaican authorities thought you were carrying drugs.
This is a Margarita Vision special report.
So thanks for taking a closer look here at the Hemisphere Dancer. Next time you're in Universal City Walk, walk by the airplane. You can actually touch the airplane and pay your respects for something that could have been a disaster for both U2 and Jimmy Buffett. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you next time. Be sure to visit my website, worldofmicah.com, as well as youtube.com/worldofmicah. Goodbye, everybody.